Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you WiFi Profits review, legit or scam. WiFi Profits is advertised as a beginner-friendly system that claims to help you build an online business with just a device and a Wi-Fi connection. It promotes step-by-step training, AI-powered tools, and traffic strategies for affiliate marketing. But here's the catch: its bold promises raise red flags, from exaggerated income claims and questionable testimonials to vague refund policies and hidden upsells. Many aspects suggest it's more hype than substance. While it might offer beginners a surface level introduction to affiliate marketing, the lack of transparency, overblown marketing, and unrealistic results make it risky. Bottom line, Wi-Fi Profit shows clear signs of being a scam. If you're exploring online business opportunities, always research thoroughly and set realistic expectations before investing. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.